Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 useful websites for students. So guys, let's start. The first website is Get Body Smart. So guys, this website is specifically for pre-medical students, okay? And if you are interested in anatomy or physiology, you can also use this website. So it gives clear diagram of different human system. So for example, I select this circulatory system and then it is divided into the subcategories, okay? So for example, I select the heart anatomy, okay? And then in the heart anatomy, you can see there are different parts they are mentioned. If I select the heart wall movement, okay, so it will open a new page where it gives you clear demonstration of different movement of heart. So you can see over here, and if I play it, okay, so you can see I play it now, so you can see it show you the clear demonstration, clear illustration of different parts, different functions, okay? So you can see over here, okay, so you can use this website. The other thing that I want to mention here is you can also use this website for different quizzes as well. So you can see there is a separate section for quizzes. So now I open the system quizzes from here, and then if you scroll down, you see it is divided into different categories. Whichever category you want to practice, you can select it. For example, I select the skeletal system quizzes, okay, and then I scroll down, and then here you can see I can select this lateral view, and then from here you can start the quiz, okay? So I open it, so you can see there are different options available. Name the bone of the skull. So whichever part you want to select, it is like MCQs, you can select it and it will show you if your answer is correct or if it is not correct, okay? And then you can move for the next question. So this is how you can use this website. The next website is Omni Calculator. So guys, this website is a library of free calculator and it includes almost every subject. For example, you can see over here biology, chemistry, construction, health, finance. So almost all the subjects are mentioned over here. So guys, this website is best for preparing your exam. You can use this calculator to confirm your calculations. So if I scroll down, you can see it is also giving you the most popular calculators options over here. So you can select any one of these. So for example, I select the statistics from here, and then if I go into the statistics, there are different calculators option. So I select the first one, which is the accuracy calculator, and then here you can see there are different options giving you, there are different calculator options giving you, you can insert your values over here. So for example, I want to insert some value, I just enter some values over here. So you can see it gives you the answer, and then if you scroll down, you have more options over here. So it also showing you how to use the accuracy calculator. Then it also give you the step-by-step criteria. The next website is WolframAlpha. So guys, this website gives you the step-by-step solution for different problems. So you can see it is divided into different subjects. So this is mathematics, then we have science and technology, society and culture, and then we have everyday life, and then it is divided into subcategories. So you can see in mathematics you have the algebra, plotting and graphics, calculus, geometry. So there are different subjects mentioned for each topic. And then if you want to search, if you want to enter some calculation, you want to know the step-by-step solution, you can also enter here in the search bar. So guys, this website really help you in your assignments because it is a computational intelligence system. So for example, I select one topic from here, which is algebra. You can see over here where we have equation solving, we have polynomials here. Then if you select more example, it will show you more example. Here we have the factorization, okay, and then if you select from here, it gives you the step-by-step solution for different problems. Okay, so you can see over here it is also showing you in the 3D plot format. Okay, so you can see over here. So this website is really useful, so please try this website, you will definitely gonna like it. The next website is Google Scholar. So this website is really important for research purposes. If you are searching for scholarly literature, you can use this site, and it is also best for academic resources. So you can search different resources. For example, I search here sustainability, and then I search, so it gives you different resources, and it is also give the citations, it also provide the reports, and it also give you different online books. So this site is really important if you are researching, or if you want to make your assignments, or if you want to search for some scholarly article. So this website is really amazing. The next website is called Idenati. So guys, this website is best for categorization of your favorite sites. So you can see over here, I add all my favorite study sites, include Google Docs, Google Scholars, Omni Calculator. So you can see over here, all my favorite sites are over here. So if I want to study, I will open Idenati and open my relevant site. So it will help me to avoid distraction. It allow me to focus more on my study. Okay, you can also put notes over here. So if you select this plus sign, so you can see there is a note option. So you can also start writing your note. If you want to insert something over here, you can insert over here. Okay, if you want to insert any important information, if you want to put some important note, you can use this option as well. And then if you want to add more sites, you can also do it. Again, select this plus sign option, and then you can see what would you like to add. I select the website, and here you can select. So you can see over here, I add the Blackboard, the Google Classroom, Notion, YouTube. So all of your favorite sites you can add over here. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.